Hi, I'm Julian.
And I'm Max.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make dragon's beard candy. But first, to the ingredients. Starting off, you will need 1,000 grams of sugar. Sugar is a natural substance that is produced in many plants and fruits around the world. Plants with the largest concentration of sugars are plants such as sugarcane and sugar beet. Domestication of the sugarcane happened around 10,000 years ago in New Guinea.
Next off, you will need 100 grams of corn syrup. Corn syrup consists of about 55% fructose and the rest is mainly glucose. Corn syrup entered the industrial market and began replacing sugar as a sweetener in foods and drinks by the mid-1970s.
Next up is food dye, which is optional. You will need about 5 drops or more to add color to the water. Food dye has been around for more than a couple of centuries and is still used today by many chefs. However, food dye was made from a variety of many different fruits and vegetables back then. Rather, today we use a variety of non-toxic chemicals to color our food.
Also, you will need 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Vinegar is a liquid mainly composed of acetic acid and water. The acetic acid is produced by the fermentation of ethanol by acetic acid bacteria.
Also, you will need cornstarch. Cornstarch is an ingredient used in many food products, especially sweets, and is derived from the corn vegetable itself. This substance is collected from the endosperm of a corn kernel.
Lastly, we have peanuts, also known as goober or monkey nut, is a legume crop. It is grown in tropic and subtropic areas. First step to creating your dragon's beard candy is to pour 1,000 grams of sugar into a pot. The next step is to pour 100 grams of corn syrup into the pot. Use a spoon to get all the corn syrup out. Then add a teaspoon of vinegar into the pot. We added food coloring to our water to give our dragon's beard candy some color. Make sure to add the 2 cups of water into the pot.
Once all the ingredients are settled into a pot, make sure to turn your stove onto medium heat and to let the pot settle over it. Wait till the ingredients reach the temperature of 271 degrees Fahrenheit before removing the heat. Make sure to not stir at all during this process, as this will ruin the whole entire recipe. The dragon's beard candy originates from the Han Dynasty, more specifically from the Guangzhou province. Chinese dragon's beard candy is and has been used for many different special events in Chinese history. For example, the candy might have been used for events such as the Chinese New Year. Interestingly enough, the dragon's beard candy was once reserved for royalty only. Dragon's beard candy is only consumed during special occasions and it can be served for dessert.
After removing the syrup from the heat, make sure to let the bubbles rise out of the syrup before pouring it into the silicone molds.
After pouring the syrup into the silicone molds, make sure to let this cool down for 2 to 3 hours. So, first, you gotta take it out of the silicone.
It's really fun, but
It's hard, because you have to pull. So, he's getting somewhere. Guys, this is really hard. Like, we're not even kidding right now. After taking the syrup out from the silicone molds, you want to take the candy, make a hole in the middle, and make it into a circle just like this.
once you've worked your candy into a circle about 18 inches in diameter, you want to turn the circle into an 8-shaped figure as shown and combine them again to make a circle. Do this repeatedly until you get about 16,000 strands for the best experience possible.
Once you've gotten your sugar into 16,000 strands, take a fork full of mashed peanuts and wrap it around as shown. Once you've made this, you're basically done. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this helped.